Hi everyone, Dr. David Kulla here with Synergy Wellness. Today we have John here. He's been in a bunch of videos. John originally came in with costochondritis, but this video is actually a hiatal hernia testimonial. We've only treated your hiatal hernia 3 times?
Yeah, about 3 times.
Okay, and you had what kind of symptoms with that?
I was feeling a lot of tight pressures where my ribs are at, acid reflux, and that's basically it.
Okay, so acid reflux and a lot of pressure, bloating here, where the ribs, where the stomach is. Like I said, he also has costochondritis. And how are you doing now? We've only done 3 treatments. So what we've done is the hiatal hernia maneuver, which we're going to show you today. But how are you doing now after 3 treatments?
I'm feeling a little better. My tight pressures from here I don't really feel it as much anymore.
Okay.
And
then we started this maneuver about 2 weeks ago, right?
Yeah, did about 3 times, I think.
Yeah, over 2 weeks. And how many cases or how many times have you had GERD, acid reflux?
I say about twice.
Twice. And were you getting it daily or was it?
I was getting a lot.
Yeah.
I was eating too much and laying down, not waiting hours and stuff.
Okay. So he's had, he said he had acid reflux a little bit yesterday. Has the acid reflux, well, I know it's been less. Has it been less intense?
Yeah, that's insane.
Okay. So we've only done three times. We're about to do the 4th hiatal hernia maneuver treatment on him. For those of you that suffer from a hiatal hernia, you have to try this maneuver before you even consider doing surgery. Medication, I won't go into that too much. That doesn't fix the hernia itself. It just treats the symptoms. So his doctor actually yesterday, he told his doctor that I said that I told him not to do the omeprazole, not to do the PPI medication, and his doctor replied,
You keep taking it for years.
"Yeah,
He said you
that's
keep
what
taking
he
it,
said?"
yeah.
Yeah, and then he said, "I'm not a doctor."
He said he's not a doctor.
I was like, wow. So that medical doctor is so high and mighty because he prescribes drugs to cover your symptoms. Is that using your brain to help people? Yeah, he thinks he's a real doctor, and I'm not. Anyway, there's hope out there for you folks. Have the hiatal hernia maneuver done. Don't listen to your doctor. Thanks. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.